So let's go into the problems. We'll start with ISI 2025 itself. So this is ISI 2025. And this is basically question number 14 for the question paper uploaded on EduSure's website. This is ISI 2025 PEA question number 14. But this is a better print, which is uploaded on the ISI Cal website. So this is basically uploaded at a later time, and we have students' question paper copy. Therefore, the numbering is different. We'll follow ISI 2025 question number 14. That terminology and question number. Please follow that. Okay. There are two types of consumers of samosas: students and professors. Both students and professors stop life. So price greater than equal to 5, quantity is equal to 0. Quantity I is equal to 0. I is student or professor. I am writing S for student, P for professor. For every decrease in the price of samosa by a rupee, the student demand goes up by 5. So student demand goes up by 5. So DQS, DPS is basically minus 5. And similarly, DQP by DPP is equal to minus 10. Professor demand goes up by 10 samosas. If a monopolist has a constant marginal cost of rupee 1, so marginal cost of rupee, basically cost is fixed cost plus variable cost, and can charge different prices to students and professors, which group will be charged a higher price? So let's firstly find out the demand curve for the two. So basically delta QS is equal to minus 5 delta PS. QS is equal to basically A minus 5 PS, something like this, a constant minus 5 PS. Therefore, if I differentiate throughout, I'll get minus 5, right? Now I know this. So P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 0. So P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 0. Therefore, this is 0. A is minus 5 into 5. So that's basically equal to 25. Therefore, the demand curve is 25 minus 5 PS. Is this clear? If this is clear, please type C in the chat box. And therefore, what can you say about the demand curve of the professor? Can anyone put that in the chat? What is the demand curve of the professor? What is the demand curve of the professor? So basically, delta QP is equal to minus 10 delta PP. So QP is basically B minus 10 PP. And P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 0, B is equal to 50. QP is equal to 50 minus 10 price of professor. All right, good. Now you can simply profit maximize and just find out the price. So profit maximize is basically multiple ways to do this. There's only one of the ways. 25 minus 5 PS. This is basically QS into PS plus QP into PP minus A plus Q. Q is basically QP plus QS, which is equal to 2575 minus 5 PS minus 10 PP minus 75 minus 5 PS minus 10 PP. So you just have to differentiate with PS. So basically 25 minus 5 PS square, so 10 PS. Plus minus of 5, minus of minus 5, so plus 5 is equal to 0. So PS is equal to 3. PP is 50 minus 20 PP plus 10 is equal to 0. So PP is also equal to 3. So PS and PP are both equal to 3. They'll be charged the same price. Okay, this is one of the ways to do it. There are multiple ways. दूसरा तरीका आपको दिखाऊं? Should I show you one more way? Okay, another way to think about it is basically this, that MR1 is equal to MR2 is equal to the marginal cost. Right. So MR1 is what? MR1 is basically student, and this is P. Okay. Marginal revenue is basically the derivative. 25 minus 10 PS is equal to 1. Oh, sorry. Convert it into this. This is 1, right? So we have to basically convert it into quantity. So quantity student is 25 minus 5 PS, or in other words, 5 PS is equal to 25 minus QS, or PS is equal to 5 minus 1 by 5 QS. So 5 minus 1 by 5 QS multiplied by QS. So basically 5 minus 2 by 5 QS is equal to 1. You'll get your QS like this. And similarly, you'll get your PS. Okay. Once you get you can find out your PS. PS will be equal to 3. Similarly, you can do MRP is equal to 1. Put it in terms of quantity. Basically, you'll get 10 PP is equal to 50 minus QP, or PP is 5 minus QP by 10. So you'll get 5 minus QP by 5 is equal to 1. So you'll get the value of QP. Now just find the value of PP. You will also get 3. So you can do it in multiple ways. This is only one of the ways also. So you can do it in this. It's a little counterintuitive. ऐसा लग रहा है कि student and professor का elasticity अलग है, elasticity अलग नहीं है. You will realize that once you are able to find out the elasticity. You'll see the elasticity in terms of price. Price के terms में elasticity अगर आपको लिखना हो, कैसे लिखोगे? Price के terms में अगर elasticity लिखना हो, elasticity is what? DPS DQS into QS by PS. Okay, so this is basically minus 1 by 5 into QS is basically 25 minus 5p divided by PS. So you'll get minus of 5 minus PS by PS. And similarly, you will get the same thing, minus 5 minus PP by PP. Now, the elasticity is the same, you'll get from there. Yeah. Professor's demand is basically double to that of the student's demand, right? Elasticity will turn out to be ultimately the same thing. All right. This is 22. The answer is C, charge the same.